Hi, good morning everybody. Today let us make something which is high in protein, delicious, high in fiber and very tasty. I am going to make mixed dals. So in mixed dals I am going to take masoor ki dal एक मुट्ठी or you can measure with the teaspoon also. This is tuar dal एक मुट्ठी. This is whole urad dal, the black dal. This I will take एक मुट्ठी. One मुट्ठी of each dal. This is मोठ, दाल मोठ एक मुट्ठी. This is राजमा, ये भी एक मुट्ठी. Anything else you want to add, you can add kabuli chana, you can add choli ka beans, and you can add chane ki dal also. So I've added a few choli ki beans, I've added urad ki dal dhuli hui, and I've added hari moong also, chilke wali. Now I'm going to soak all this for 3 to 4 hours. Wash it thoroughly and then soak it for 3 to 4 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, now let us put 2 glasses of water in a cooker, heat it up and add this dal and put it on steam for 5 to 6 whistles. One and one more. 2 glasses are enough. I've added 2 glasses of water and now I'm going to close the lid. Before closing the lid, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt also, because with that it will get ready faster. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of dhania powder and jeera also I'm adding, because this will give it a nice taste. And I'm going to add some salt powder also, that is dry ginger powder. I've added half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder also. This will give it a nice taste. Now close the lid and let it whistle for 6 to 7 whistles. While the dal is getting ready, let us make the tadka. In that you add 1 tablespoon of ghee, pure ghee, desi ghee, and then add 8 to 10 chopped garlic pieces. Chop them as fine as you can. Add ginger also, finely chopped. Roast it for some time and then add the onion. Now add 1 chopped onion. I'm not going to use tomatoes. Instead of tomato, I'm going to use the curd. Not even cream, because we don't want to make the dal heavy. It should be digestible and tasty. The curd will give it a nice taste as well as it will be digested. When the onions are brown, I can add the dal to it. But before adding the dal, just check that the rajmas and the beans are soft. If they are not softened, you can add half a cup of butter and again give it 2 to 3 steams. Add the dal, nicely done. In 6 to 8 whistles it gets done, because we have soaked it for 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. The longer you soak, the softer it gets. Rajma and the kali dal, they need little soaking. See, it is nicely done. Now add little bit of hing and add little bit of chili, red chili powder. It's up to you how much mirchi you want. You can even add green chilies chopped. अभी हम दाल को स्लो फायर पे पकने देंगे 15-20 मिनट के लिए, बिकॉज जितनी वो स्लो फायर पे पकेगी उतनी टेस्टी होती जाएगी. इसको हम लोग पंजाबी में बोलते हैं काढ़ना, दाल को काढ़ना. जितनी दाल को काढ़ो उतनी स्वाद बनती है. So, and the color of all the dals, see, it is getting darker. It comes out, you can see, yes. पहले तो बहुत ज़्यादा हल्का रंग था, Now the masalas, I mean not the masalas, the spices, haldi, namak, lal mirchi, सब blend हो गया है दाल के साथ. And see, it's giving a nice color and lovely aroma of lasun, the tadka that we have given. So now take curds, 1 cup, add some water and mix it up nicely. Make it a flowing consistency and add this to the dal और उसको भी कढ़ने दो. You can add little more water if you want. This is homemade curd. खट्टा नहीं होना चाहिए. Slightly खट्टा tastes good, but ज़्यादा खट्टा होगा तो your dal will taste very bad. So take care that it is nice and fresh. एक दिन पुराना चलेगा लेकिन खट्टा नहीं होना चाहिए. Now add this to the dal और उसको पकने दो for at least 10-15 minutes on very slow fire. I don't like to add too much masalas to my dals because then the taste of your dal goes and you get more taste of masala, that is adrak, lasan, tomato ka paste and all that. Garam masala, I don't like to add all that. Just see this retains the taste of the dal as well. It becomes very tasty. और वो जितनी कड़ेगी उतना दालों का टेस्ट स्वाद आएगा आपको. When you have this with roti, naan, chawal, it's going to be a very yummy dal. And it has all the dals. So it is a very nutritious dal. Now इसको पकने दो, कढ़ने दो at least for 15 minutes on slow fire. Keep on stirring it so that it does not get stuck to the base. फिर वो जल जाएगा तो जलने की टेस्ट आएगी and दाल खराब हो जाएगी. See, you can see the beans, you can see rajma, you can see kali dal, hari dal, all the dals. दाल जब काढ़ना रखते हैं हम लोग तो ऑलवेज कीप इट इन अ थिक बॉटम पैन. यूजुअली यू यूज़ अ डेगची और दैट ब्लैक मेटल बर्तन और एल्यूमिनियम की जो मोटी वाली डेगची होती है, यू कैन यूज़ दैट. नेवर यूज स्टील और सम पतला बर्तन, नहीं तो द दाल विल गेट स्टक टू द बेस और जलने की बदबू आ जाएगी. द टेस्ट विल स्पॉइल. इतनी मेहनत की, इतनी सारी दाल, सब खराब हो जाएगा. Let us eat proper dal today, which will give us the dals ka swad. See, the curds is slowly blending with the rest of the dal and the spices, and the color is changing. It is slightly turning brown slowly. पहले तो एकदम white हो गई थी when I put curd in it. You can add cream if you want, and you can even roast onion, ginger, garlic, red chilies, and then make masala and then add dal if you want to make it a heavy dal. But you try this. This is very nice, very tasty. You will get the taste of all the dals and ये ज़्यादा स्वाद लगेगी. Try it. And it has all the dals, rajma, beans, kidney beans. Then it has got choli also. So it is a very healthy dal. And adrak भी are sliced very fine and added. ये देखो. So that will also taste very good when it comes in your mouth while eating roti. See, let it be there on gas for another 5 to 6 minutes on slow fire. Then we will put off the gas and garnish it with coriander leaves. If you are going to eat this dal with roti, naan, chapati, then you can keep it thick. But if you want to eat it with rice, you can keep it thin, like little watery. That you see what consistency you require. Now after 15-20 minutes it is done. So let us put off the gas and garnish it with coriander leaves and serve. You can put little kali mirchi powder, freshly ground, before serving. Kali mirchi, 10 to 12 peppercorns, kali mirchi, black pepper. Freshly ground always gives better aroma. I'm going to crush it with this and add it while serving the dal. My very tasty mixed dals is ready to eat, to serve with naan, roti, lachha paratha, tandoori roti, or chur paratha also. It will taste very good. It is very healthy, very digestive, and there is nothing fatty in this. I've sprinkled little black peppers, freshly crushed, little bit of coriander leaves, and fresh green chilies from my terrace garden. So let us serve this and let me know how it is. Dal to we make every day. We add tomatoes and masalas and we roast all the lasun adrak paste. Try this simple dal which will let you know कि हाँ ये दाल है, आज मैं दाल खा रही हूँ. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment and share my video if you feel like. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Thanks a lot. Have a good Sunday. Enjoy your holiday. Be with your family, your kids, and God bless you all. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And do make this dal. It is really very good. इसमें राजमा भी हैं, इसमें सारी दालें भी हैं, मसूर, तुअर, उड़द, whole मूंग, then sabut kale maa and choli also. So around 7 dals are there. You can keep on adding as many as you want. I did not add chana ka dal and all, that will make it little heavy. I added all the dals which are easy to digest. Thank you so much. Have a good day. God bless you.